पीछे मंत्री चल रहे थे घोड़े के ऊपर, दोनों घर अलग अलग था। राजा के घोड़ा था बहुत सुंदर, काली घोड़ा था, सोने में बहुत सुंदर पुष्कर, और मंत्री के घोड़ा जो है लाल रंग का था। अच्छा, और पीछे 20-25 जो है सैन्य चलने लगे। तो जंगलों के जब चलने लगे पगडंडी रास्ता था, राजा के घोड़ा जो आगे चले, एक दिशा एक जो है सर्प सर्प के स्तन के ऊपर छलांग लगाई। जब छलांग लगाया तो दैववश जो है राजा घोड़े के पीठ से नीचे गिर गए, और साथ ही साथ वो सांप ने किया कि राजा के उंगली के छोटे उंगली को काट दिया। महामंत्री देख दस करके फिर सांप जाए कहीं गड्ढे में गए, गड्ढे में जाए वो चले। तो महामंत्री पीछे देखा, देख महाराज के जो है सांप काटे, सदर सांप काट दिया। वो राजा महामंत्री ने किया कि साथ ही साथ अपने तलवार निकाला और महाराज के उंगली के जो है काट दिया। चींटी वो सांप के बीच जो है जल्दी जल्दी चले जाएगा, हाथ में चलेगा, राजा मर जाएगा। इसलिए महामंत्री जो है बहुत विचक्षण थे और राजा के उंगली को काट दी, और रक्त खून झरने लगे। तो राजा ने महामंत्री ने किया कि अपने कपड़े फाड़ करके वो उसको बैंडेज।
Hare Krishna, am I audible to you? Jai Shri Gurudev. So here is the katha is going on that there was a minister and his there was a king and his minister. So what happens, they were wandering in the jungle. So minister used to say always that God is our ever, or no English translation, what happened, what she is saying. So that minister always used to say that God is our ever well wisher, God is our ever wisher, whatever is happening there with them. So he used to say all these things always. So what happened that time when they were wandering in the forest, so his finger was cutted by the snake. So when he cutted his finger due to poison, so what happened, that minister said that whatever is happened, that is the wish of God, that is the mercy of God. So when kings hear this, he was so much unhappy. He said that all the time you are saying this, God is our ever well wisher, God is our ever well wisher. So now snake bite me and I have cutted my finger, and still you are saying this. Okay, so you are not my minister, you are my enemy. So what he did, so he sent him into the prison. Okay, so after that what happened, so he was wandering in the forest. So while he was wandering there, so at that time some Negroes, some peoples caught the king for Bali, and when he saw that his finger is so some dacoits, what they used to do, Devi worship. For getting the money, what they did, they were doing many kinds of evil puja, evil. So the king, the person from the dacoits who was the head, he ordered to everybody, just go and search someone for Bali. So the soldiers of that dacoits caught the king, yes. So they tied their whole body by the stakes and by the rope. So he was carrying him. So him carrying like a animal, and they put some cloth in his mouth, and they were carrying him. So after that, what happened? They were walking with him. So some dacoits taunting to the king, "Oh king, you are so much fortunate, because today your blood will be offered to Devi Kali. The blood will be drank by the Devi Kali. So you are so much fortunate." And the king said, "I am going to die. I am so fortunate." "No, I am not fortunate." So they carrying them. Then what happened?
के पास रखा
So he put it to before the Devis.
मंत्र आदि जप करके बैठे
So they were chanting the mantras and everything there. At last what happened?
क्या होता है
So the king,
आप देखा बकरी के जो बलि दे रहा है ऐसे होता है
so there is a things where the Bali is going to do. So he put it there, had there.
लाल कपड़ा बांध दिया है, जवाब उनके लाल लाल फूल के होते हैं उसके जवाब उनका
So they offer some java flowers to him, and they put the garlands on his neck, and after that
मंत्र जप कर
they started chanting mantras for offering that Bali, and they started to cut his head at the time.
देखे तो भी ये जगह देखा
So one of amongst the dacoit, one of them said,
और
"Hey, his finger."
में लिखा है अंगहीन व्यक्ति के जो है बलि चढ़ा नहीं जाता
So his finger is cut, and he doesn't have full body, his nice body. So we cannot offer this man, this king, to the Kali. So there was a gang leader. So the message was passed to him. This king is without the finger, so we cannot offer this Bali to
बलिदान दिया जाए
before the Devi. So
साथ ही साथ गैंग लीडर आगे
So the gang leader, dacoits leader came, and when they inspected all the things, so he found that he didn't have any kinds of finger, one finger. So he said, "Oh, foolish person, why did you carry this fingerless person?" So just kicked him.
और उसको किया कि
So they opened him, and
निकाल
he went away from there.
तो कर दिया राजा बस
So after that what happened? The king started walking, and he sitting on the horse back, and they started walking,
और कहने लगे बिल्कुल दौड़ के
and he was running so fast, and he went to his palace.
मंत्री के
So first they went to minister, where minister was jail mein. So the minister is in the prison now.
और राजा सारी कथा सुनाया
So the king told all the story, and hearing that,
रोने लगे
these both started crying. Maharaj said, the king said, "So whatever you said, this is true. Actually, I realized that things." Oh,
क्या
what?
बोले देखो महाराज
Maharaj,
ये देखो मंत्री वर्ग
oh minister, please see.
70-80 थे यदि है अब हम भी जाते एक को क्या
They all were dacoits.
ऐसे बोलता, किंतु हमारे अंगहीन होने के नाते
So they caught me, and they would like to offer me before the Kalis, but I was without the fingers, so I was fingerless, so that's why they didn't cut me. So it is a wish of God that I got, I free from them. So Maharaj saying like this, he started crying. So minister said,
हे राजन
"Hey Rajan,
आप जो है आप बॉडी आवाज एवं
God is our ever well-wisher.
आपने मुझे जो कारागार में डाल दिया
So you put it on my prison. This is the also mercy of Bhagwan." The king asked that I put it you in the prison. So what is the mercy of the Bhagwan?
अपमानित किया और अंदर
So
कारागार में डाल दिया
the king said that you
ये भगवान की अनुकंपा ये सत्य
put me into the prison.
तो उसने महाराज के मंत्री वर्ग कहने लगे हे राजन
Then minister said,
यदि
"Hey Rajan, if you didn't put me in the prison,
यदि
कारागार में,
नहीं डाल देते है
then I will be with you. So you have the body fingerless, but I have fresh body. So beside you, they will cut me. They will offer me to the Kali."
हम लोग सभी को क्या करते बलिदान कर देते आपको छोड़ देते जो आप अंगहीन है मेरा तो अंगहीन नहीं है पूरा हमारे अंग आदि जो है ठीक है ना इसलिए वास्तव रूप में आप मेरा प्राण
So that's why you saved my life. So that's why God is our ever well-wisher. वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की जय.
शिक्षा ये है कि भगवान की अनुकंपा कृपा
What is the lesson here actually? That Bhagwan's anukampa, the mercy of the Bhagwan, is everywhere on everybody's. They realize everything everywhere.
क्योंकि भगवान की इच्छा बिना
Because without the wish of Bhagwan, there is no tree goes here and there. That's why it is a Tatya Anukampam Susachena Mano Gunjaram.
तभी पागल ये पागल बपूरी सिद्धांत स्तुति पदे, यही वास्तव ये जो तात्पर्य है भगवान की अनुकंपा सर्वत्र।
So this is called the mercy of the Bhagwan, which is everywhere.
ये ब्रह्मा जी के स्तुति में,
So in the Brahma's Stuti, this is describing
कि आप सर्वत्र भगवान की कृपा अनुकंपा,
how we can realize the mercy of Bhagwan everywhere.
ये ब्रह्मा स्तुति में बहुत
So in the Brahma Stuti, this is very lessonful.
जहाँ जहाँ पर
Wherever
मन में दुख का कष्ट है,
wherever you feel some sorrow in your life, Takte Anukampa Sushikshana Mano. Always remember the shlok. So if you are staying in the mud in the temple, so wherever you are suffering, so just think that it is the Anukampa of Bhagwan, Takte Anukampa. This is the mercy of Bhagwan. You know?
किंतु देखो ये ब्रह्मा स्तुति में अनेक विषय है, ब्रह्मा की स्तुति करते हुए जा रहे हैं।
Brahma ji is doing this time called Stuti.
अपराधी मान
Brahma is thinking that I am the offender and doing the Stuti of Bhagwan. But actually, Krishna,
प्रसन्न हुआ ही नहीं।
he didn't please.
यदि कृष्ण प्रसन्न
If he pleased,
तो लक्षण क्या होगा?
so what is the symptoms there?
कार्य सिद्धि हो जाएगा। यदि वे व्यक्ति
Your work will be done.
प्रसन्न हो, और से प्रसन्नता एक अंश हक तो दे, कुछ बोले ना बोले।
If somebody is happy, so he will laugh.
देखो
But
ब्रह्मा जी जब ये स्तुति बोली,
so when Bhagwan did all this Stuti, but when Bhagwan said this, Takte Anukampa, oh Bhagyam, Nandasa.
जनमित्रं परमानंदं
पूर्णं ब्रह्म सनातनम्
अहो भाग्यम हाँ सुबार से क्या विजय का श्लोक
अहो भाग्यम नंद गोब्रजोत्साम यन मित्रम परमानंदम पूर्णं ब्रह्म सनातनम्
The boy who just recited the shlok, he is just 8 years old.
आशी जो कृष्ण के प्रति ऐसे एक लौकिक शब्द
So Krishna is treating all the Brajvasis like their family members.
में अबद्ध हुई और किसी में नहीं है। अहो भागो नंद को ब्रजो प्रशाम जमित्रं परमानंदं पूर्ण ब्रह्म सनातन पूर्ण ब्रह्म पुरुष सनातन पुरुष।
So Krishna is Purna Brahma, Purna Sanatan Purush, and Brajasi how they are treating him just like a family member. Lokik Sadvanduvat Preeti. In the Brihad Bhagavatam Granth, on this shloka Sanatan Goswami Pad, he is describing very nicely there. That so what is the and how you can get the Braj Prem, that just think that Krishna is your family member. You have to treat Bhagwan like a family member. You have to treat him like a friend. Somebody is thinking he is my friend. Some are thinking that he is my son. Some are thinking that he is my beloved. Kande chade, kande chadai. Somebody is putting on the shoulders of the Krishna, and some are putting Krishna on his shoulders. Sometimes when Krishna is defeating in the play, so Saka used to say, so just become like a horse that we will sit on your horse. And Krishna ran away. Who is the Anant Koti Vishwanayak, and he has putting the all kinds of Brahman just like mustard seeds on his head. And when the Sakha saying this, we have to put on your shoulder, we will put ourselves on your shoulder. So he started running, that you are so heavy. So Sakhas are so much screaming, the Sale, we will not play with you because you are cheater. You are not playing properly. After defeating in the play, you are not fulfilling your words, whatever the commitment we had before the play. So Krishna came there and he said that I will be the horse. Then he became horse again. And one Sakha climbed on his feet and on his back. So in this way he is doing this kinds of leela. even
सखाओं के देते
he is giving his ujest, he is giving his remnants to the friends, and he is taking the remnants of his friends.
ये वास्तव रूप में ब्रह्मा जी की जो विमान जो लीला है, ब्रह्मा जी ने ही देखा। पहले तो अघासुर के पद के देख करके विचार करने लगे कृष्ण भगवान है।
First he was thinking that Krishna is
भगवान
Bhagwan.
की हरि के द्वारा जो खत्म हो जाते हैं ना पता, पर वो फिर ब्रह्म साधन को प्राप्त कर लेते हैं। देखा है अघासुर है के आत्मा जो है ऊपर चले गए और इसे घूमते घूमते जब कृष्ण
So Agasur's souls goes upside, and when it was like a whirlpool.
आत्मा
And what happened when that Agasur's souls comes down, so it entered into the feet of Krishna.
ये कृष्ण
That Brahmaji decided himself that oh, Krishna is Bhagwan himself. And then second Leela, when he saw,
और भी सिर घूमने लगे। ये भगवान ये सखाओं के जब उच्छिष्ट कैसे ले गए?
so how can Bhagwan taking the remnants of his friends?
नारायण के उच्छिष्ट लेने के लिए
For the taking of the remnants of the Narayan, Nara, Shiv and Lakshmi, they are so much curious to take that.
कृष्ण क्या कर रहे हैं?
But what Krishna is doing? He is taking the remnants of the sakhas of his friends,
इसको देख करके ब्रह्मा जी
and seeing that Brahmaji, he got doubt in his mind that Krishna is Bhagwan or not.
इसी लीला को संपादन करने के लिए दो माया के द्वारा ब्रह्मा के हृदय में
For just checking this Leela, Brahmaji by came down.
हरण लीला
Govats Haran Leela. He did this Leela. Govats Haran Leela.
लीला उसमें पुष्टिकरण कर दिया।
And there are many Leelas also added here.
जो मातृ स्थानीय जो है गोपी जो है विचार मणि में विचार करने के लिए
So whose are the Braj gopis, like who are the mother of the gopis, so mother of the Braj, so they are thinking that if Krishna would be our son, so we will feed her our breast milk. So in this way Krishna said, okay, I will fulfill all your desire. And in the same way cows are thinking that if Krishna is our calf, so we will feed him our breast milk. So in this way Krishna was fulfilling all the desires, so that's why he has given this.
विशेष करके जो है यहीं पर एक लीला कर दिया जो सत्य प्रकट लीला आदि संपादन करने के लिए जो मैंने क्या कर दिया।
So that's why Yogamaya arranges all kinds of Leela.
ये देखो इस समय
So at that time the Leela Swakiya or Parkhiya Leela performing, so Purnamasi announced everybody that at that time this is a very nice auspicious time, that if everybody get married their daughters to the gops, so that is good, this is very good for them. So in this way all the sakhas who were there, so some people, so they are arise a question that Krishna didn't get the marriage with the gopis, so that's why Krishna performed this kinds of leela. So Krishna got the marriage all kinds of gopiya, or that time all the gops were Krishna, just like you just told the leela. All the gopas was Krishna there, and actually so Brahmaji was not able to thief his friends, just like Ravan, he didn't steal the Sita ji. In the same way, some Kathakar or commentators are saying in this way, Brahmaji, when he came to kidnapping the cows and the friends, so all the sakhas disappeared, and according to the Yogamaya, Krishna manifested there in the form of all the friends and calves. And here it is also showing when Krishna, so he was going for cow herdings. When Brahmaji returned back from there, so at that place what he saw, and Krishna again, he is playing with his friend. He is doing the cow herding leela. And when Brahmaji saw,
और इधर देखा जो कृष्ण सखाओं के साथ
So by his two faces, he saw that all the sakhas unconscious one side, and here he saw Krishna is playing with all the sakhas. So he was so much confused. What is happening here? Then Brahmaji,
मोह के भंग करने के लिए
for destroying or pacify this kinds of moho, what Krishna did?
वो समस्त सखाओं पर वत्स गो वत्स के क्या कर दिया, सब चतुर्भुज धारण करा।
So for clearing the doubts of the Brahma, Bhagwan, what did he? All the sakhas and everybody took the four arms forms. Krishna.
कौन सा ब्रह्म, एक कौन है, गरुड़ सा ये उसी प्रकार चतुर्भुज धारण।
So that's why everybody got the four arms form, because Brahmaji's Ishtadev is Garbhodakshaya Vishnu. So then he realized that Krishna is not an ordinary person, he is the supreme personality of Bhagwan. Then he started doing the Stavistuti.
यही ब्रह्मस्तुति।
So this is called the Brahmastuti.
और देखो एक साल तक हो गया,
And one year passed. Maybe somebody
एक
told
साल हो गया, जिस दिन ब्रह्म
that
लीला हुई,
when Brahma Vimohan Leela was happens,
वो चारण वो वत्स चारण में नहीं।
so after that Krishna didn't go cow herding.
तो आदि कृष्ण के कौन सा चरण है, वो वत्स चारण, गाय का बिछड़ा नहीं, वत्स चारण हो है ना? वत्स के द्वारा जो लोग पकड़ के पंडित लोग-
So Krishna didn't go for cow herding, he was going for calves herding.
पंडित लोग के दिमाग सबसे वही रहते हैं, इसलिए वो वत्स चारण है। तो उसी प्रकार भी दिखाते जाए। तो बलदेव प्रभु क्या देखा,
And then one Baldev saw after 1 year, when 1 year passed, when one Baldev saw
गोप लोग जो है
of the upside,
चार ना नीचे गाय चार, ऊपर जो है बच्चे है। और देखो उस समय जो नई जो बछड़ा जो है उसको छोड़ करके, और जो पुराने जो कोई करीब 1 साल के जो है बछड़े जो है उसके दूध पिलाने के लिए ये गाय जो है बलदेव प्रभु रोकने पर भी नहीं रोके।
so what
बलदेव प्रभु चाहते हैं कि क्या ये कैसे होगा, तो बलदेव प्रभु मन
So what happened that time? So Baldev Prabhu was thinking that when Baldev Prabhu thought, what is happening here? All the new calves, the cows are going towards the new calves for feeding the breast milk, and because this is the reason, always cow always feed the. So Baldev Prabhu was shocked that what is happening here. So he realized, oh, this is Krishna's Maya, and he is attracting me. Then Baldev Prabhu was thinking, oh Kanhaiya, oh, you are not fulfill your stomach by the taking the breast milk of one mother. That's why you have become the sons of all the Braj ladies, and now you have become all the calves, and you are taking the milk from all the cows. And there one Leela also showed there. Every day Krishna, when he used to return back from the cow herdings,
कृष्ण के जो है पहले क्या करते थे, आरती उतारते थे।
so all the Braj mothers, they used to love and affection towards Krishna. But now what happened, because Krishna has taken all the forms of his friends, sakhas and calves, so now they are doing the stuff, they are loving their childs only, because these all sakhas are Krishna. So there are many kinds of beautiful leelas also there. This is called the Brahma Vimohan Leela, Pratyaya Nukumpa Shashakshumano, like these are very nice kathas, pastimes are there.
अभी हम काल जो हम जो कथा में प्रवेश
So the katha we were hearing yesterday,
कृष्ण नित्य गोलोकधाम से इस भूताधाम में ये लीला करने की जरूरत है।
why Krishna was performing this kinds of leela in this
भगवान रस स्वरूप है,
land, because Bhagwan is Rasa Swarup and he relishing the ras always.
इसी संदर्भ में
So in this context,
आचार्य
Acharyapad used to describe Bhagwan is thinking himself, all the living entities my sons and daughters, so I have to think about them. Yesterday I told you little bit about the Jeep Tattva.
द्वारा मोहित होकर के
Everybody is attracting towards Maya and wandering here and there in this world, and Maya is giving suffering to them. Bhagwan is thinking, because in my, if I perform all kinds of Nitya Leela in this earth and somebody hear the katha and take the darshan and remember, so anyhow, and he observe himself in these all kinds of kathas, so he will get me definitely. So that's why anugrah
तत्पर भवेत्.
so at the Ras Leela at last chapter, this is the shlok is there, Tatya Anugrahana Bhaktanam. So for mercy upon the devotees, Bhagavan descends from the Nitya Golok Vrindavan Dham with his associates. So that's why it is Anugraham Bhaktanam Manusham Devashitam. So he gets a human form. So there are many pastimes of Bhagavan. The topmost Leela is Manav Leela, the human being Leela. So Mahaprabhu saying himself, Sanatan, Krishna, Swarup, Krishna has done many pastimes, but just like Matsya, Gorva, Varaha, Adi, etc. But those all kinds of pastimes are not attracted. It was not like a human being Leela. So in the human incarnation, like Vaman incarnation, Vaman, Ram Avatar, in the Ram Avatar, nothing is not Nar. Just look at the reaction. Parshuram, Vyas, there are many kinds of. So if we are talking about the human Leela, so Bhavan Avatar, Ramchand Avatar and the Krishna Avatar, so these are the topmost three. These all are incredible, very beautiful Leelas pastimes. If we talk about the Vaman Bhagwan's pastimes, so seeing that all the form of Vaman Bhagwan, all the Swarga's ladies, they were so much attracted, and Bhagwan Vaman Dev giving them blessings in my Krishna Leela, or everybody has to take birth in the Braj in the womb of, from the womb of gopis, and you will help in my Leela. So Vaman Dev forms was so beautiful. Further we will describe also that Bali Maharaj, Ratnavali. So when Vaman Bhagwan took the incarnation, so in the Yagya fire sacrifice of Bali Maharaj, and seeing that Bali Maharaj's daughter Ratnavali, she was so much attracted towards Vaman Dev, and she was thinking in his mind, if Vaman Bhagwan were my son, so I will I will feed him my breast milk. So if somebody is anything he desire, Bhagwan always fulfill that. So this is the nature of Bhagwan. So when Bali Maharaj was doing the sankalp, and he was giving the land to the, because Vaman Dev asked for 3-step bhumi, 3-step land, and when he took the Trivikram rope, Trivikram form, no? So when he started to taking or measuring the 3 steps, so what he did, he took the incarnation form, Trivikram form, and because in 1 step he has measured all the land, and second in all the lokas, and he was that where should I put my 3rd feet. So Bali Maharaj said, "Oh Bhagwan, please put all charan, all your feet on my head." Then Vaman Bhagwan, he put his feet on his head, and he was sent to Sutarlok.
कैसे हैं?
So seeing the form of Bali Maharaj, he is very foolish, he is cheater. So at the time, if
मैंने इसको स्तनपान करा है, फिर इसको
the same Bali Maharaj daughter Ratna Putana. So in the Krishna Leela she came in the form of in the Krishna Leela she came in the form of
पूतना
को मारा, उतना के जो संतति दिया, जो स्थान दिया, किसको नहीं दिया?
So Bhagwan killed many demons, but whatever the gati he has given to the Putna, no one could get that. Akasur, Bakasur, there are many kinds of demons was killed by the Krishna. But
किंतु उतना के जो गति दिया,
whatever the gati he has given to Putna, so he didn't give that gati to anyone. So that's why in Srimad Bhagavatam, Sukdev Goswami Pad is describing Aho Bhakti Tanakal Kut. The sisters of Vakasur, Aho Bhakti Stamkal Kutam, who has so much heart poison in her breast for killing Krishna. But Bhagwan Dev, he was just 6 days old child when he touches the breast of the Putana, and he took the life of, and he took the snatched the life of the Putana through his breast, and he sent her to the Golok Vrindavan under the guidance of and the maid servant of Mother Yashoda. So what Putana did, this perform sadhan bhajan, but just she got the demon's form, and she just got the form of mother, and she feeded her breast milk. So that's why Bhagwan is so merciful. So that's why it is saying Aho Bhakti Stan Kalbhutam, and that the Putana got the form for killing him. What was her intention? She wanted to kill. This was his qualification. And Rudirasan, she used to take the blood of the little child. So that's why her body was so much smelling bad, very bad smelling from her body. But the astonished thing is here, when Pushna died, when the dead body of the Putnas was cut into pieces for fire sanskar, funeral ceremony, so all the Braj was so much fragrant. Every Brajwasi was so much shocked how it is possible, because the Krishna's upper lips touches the breast of the Putana. So Putana's body becomes so much fragrantive that when she was going for the funeral ceremony, so all the Braj was so much fragranted, and she got the position of maid servant of Yashoda.
जहाँ पर जो है वह पर गोलक में है, उसके गोलोक का, यद्यपि गोलोक और वृंदावन में
there is no difference between Golok, Vrindavan and Gokul, but according to Swakitva Parikatva there is a little difference for sure. So I will, all the things described in the Jaiv Dharma.
अंतरकर्णी का कहा गया वृंदावन। और उसकी जो चारों तरफ जो है उनके परखाई बा बाउंड्री जो है एक गोलोक माना जाता है.
So boundary of the Vrindavan, that is called Golok. So all the Nand Yashoda are staying there, but there is a views here, there is a Siddhant here.
उतना तो ऐसे सर्वोच्च पति क्यों दे दी?
Why Bhagavan has given this kinds of higher position to Putna? Because he has killed so many demons, but still why he? But there is a special quality, special views is here, because Prahlad,
की कथा प्रसंग में
on the Katha of Narsingh Prahlad, Bhagavan himself,
यही वचन है.
so Bhagavan Narsingh is giving the benediction to Prahlad.
तुम्हारे कुल में जो कोई है
Whoever will take the birth in your dynasty, so he will be the adhikari of my love and affection.
देखो
So in the same way,
हिरण्यकशिपु के
Hiranyakashipu,
प्रहलाद.
Prahlad, Hiranyakashipu's son became Virochan,
विरोचन के पुत्र कौन हुआ?
Bali,
बलि महाराज.
and Virochan's son is Bali.
तो इसी प्रकार
So in this way, according to their dynasty, Bhagwan, because he has given the promise that whoever will, she was the son of,
ऐसे ही तो है.
she was the daughter of
उसके बेटी है ना? किसका बेटी? उसके बहन के साथ दुश्मन नहीं. इनको जो वर दे दिया
Ratnavali,
हाँ.
Ratnavali.
और लीला के साथ जो है बकासुर की बहन. बकासुर की बहन, वो तो बहन मांगती. ये भी लीला पर ये जो है इनकी संबंध कहाँ पर है?
She has a someone that she has the relationship with the,
बलि महाराज के साथ संबंध.
because Ratnavali has that relationship with the Bali Maharaj.
आशा जी, क्योंकि भगवान किसने बताया?
Bhagwan gave the promise to Prahlad that whoever come will in your dynasty, so I will give him my love.
रामचंद्र और कृष्ण ने जो है परास्त विचार कर दिया. परास्त कहता है. अवतार कहा है, परास्त अवतार.
Narsingh, Bhagavan and Shri Ram, they all call Parast Avatar, Paravast Avatar.
विवेचन करके दिखाया.
In the Laghu Bhagavatam it is very nicely described.
नृसिंह
Narsingh,
प्रभाव नृसिंह के किसी प्रकार ये नहीं कर सकते, डाल नहीं सकते. नृसिंहदेव की कथा के साथ साथ कितने जुड़े हुए हैं. कहाँ प्रहलाद
Narsingh Dev,
और एक बलि महाराज के और उसकी पुत्री.
Ratnavali.
तो ये समस्त विचार हाँ? हाँ. तो इससे भक्त के साथ और किसी प्रकार में संबंध हो जाए. आज इसलिए कहते हैं
क्या क्या चल रहा है? क्या?
ये विषय तो ये तो दिखा रहे हैं.
What is the speciality of Putna?
पता नहीं होता खाली
Aho Vakiyam Stankan Putam.
जो मारने के लिए आई थी और भगवान ने उसके ऐसे सूक्ष्म बुद्धि कैसे थी.
Because the lady who come to kill him and Bhagwan is given her so higher position.
कौन नहीं लेना चाहता.
Who don't want to take the shelter of this kinds of Bhagwan? So this is the broad heartedness, this is the mercy of Bhagwan, because Bhagwan is so much compassionate. So now we are going to Anugrah Vaskhana. So the Leela which is described here, Madhbhaktana. This is the Padma Puran Shlok. For giving the pleasure to my devotees, I do so many kinds of pastimes, because Krishna, he descended from Golok Vrindavan Dham. So there were many reasons. Especially in the Chaitanya Charitamrita, it is described very nicely. Vaikuntha in the background. So here in the there is a Babaji Sampradaya and our Sampradaya. There is a difference in our vichar.
वैकुंठ आदि से कहने के तात्पर्य बताया है जो अप्रकट वृंदावन में नहीं है.
There is a difference between our vichar and with Babaji vichar. What is that? Gaudiya Vaishnava used to say, Bhagwan's Leelas,
प्रकट और प्रकट में कोई भेद
there is no difference between Prakat and Aprakat Leela. There is no difference there.
जो अप्रकट लीला में जो है
So whatever is in Aprakat Leela, so the same Leela is descended in this home, in this land.
सब बाबा जी ने कुछ संप्रदाय
So
लोग कहते हैं,
some Babaji Sampradaya used to say
ये लोग कहते हैं जो वहाँ पर परक्यत्व नहीं है,
there is no Parkyat, here Parkyatva.
वहाँ पर सब सत्य।
And there is always Swakitva.
कुछ बाबा जी वहाँ
Some Babaji used to say no,
वहाँ भी परक्यत्व है।
there is Parkyatva and here is also Parkyatva. All the Leelas are same there. That's why they are giving the example.
इसलिए जिसको सही बात की
That's why
कर दो देते हैं।
they are giving the example according to Jeet Goswami Patika. Jeet Goswami Path written in his commentary,
किंचित
Kinchid
किंचित परीक्षा किंचित सच्चा, माने दूसरे की मान रखने के लिए कहीं कहीं मैं सत्यात्व पे जो है मैंने उनको सम्मान दिया, किंतु मेरा जो अपना जो अभिमत है वो
So,
क्या है?
I have given the respect to the Swakitva, but what is my Abhiman? I relish so much in Parkyatva.
आदि कहने से
So if we are talking about the Vaikunt and other lokas, Vaikunt, Vaikunt, Ayodhya, Dwarika and Mathura, there is no Parkyat Leela,
अन्यत्र
Parkyat.
माने परक्या
So Parkya is not everywhere except Vrindavan, only Golak Vrindavan, not in Vaikunt, not in Dwarika, not in Mathura,
मात्र
not in Ayodhya, only in Vrindavan.
है क्या नित्य पूर्ण वृंदावन और प्रकट अथवा अप्रकट दोनों में परक्यत्व भाव दिखाया।
So Parkyatya Bhav is both sides, Prakat and Aprakat Leela. So Krishna's, there are many kinds of Leelas of Krishna's, but the topmost Leela is Ras Leela. The topmost Leela is Sarva Rasa Sar, Parkya Bhave Bhave, Brajera Prachar.
भगवान सही कहते
So Bhagavan is saying himself, hey Arjun,
हैं, जितने भी लीला है
so whatever the Leela I have done,
यद्यपि मेरे अनेकों लीला
I have done so many pastimes, but when I perform the Ras Leela, I feel myself so much fortunate.
रास लीला है,
My Ras Leela is topmost.
इसलिए अप्रकट गोलोक वृंदावन
That's why in the Aprakat, Golok Vrindavan, Ras Leela also there.
न परक्या बिना रास लीला नहीं होती।
So without the Parkya, there is no Paramal mood, there is no Ras Leela.
वैकुंठ अयोध्या
In the Vaikunt, Ayodhya, Dwarika, there is no Ras Leela. In Mathura, there is no Ras Leela. In the Dwarika, 16,108 Vaishyas are there.
किंतु रास करने की जो क्या बोले अधिकार जो है
So the right of the Ras is only Braj Gopis has. No other else. No one else has.
वो समस्त महिषा रुक्मिणी सत्यभामा आदि
All the Maheshyas, Rukkinani, Satyavahana,
क्या है?
Kaibyu.
रास कहा है।
So they are the Kaibyu of Radharani. They are the manifestation. They are the not Kaibyu. They are the manifestation.
कायबर
Lalita and other Sakis, they are the Kaibyu. Lalita and other Sakis are the Lalita and other Sakis, they are the Kaibyu. But all in the Dwarika, Mathura, they are the manifestation.
सत्यभामा रुक्मिणी के कौन हुए? चंद्रावली के जो है
Chandramani became Rukmani.
उसी प्रकार समस्त गोपी विधायक
So in this way,
द्वारका में आए।
all the gopis came into the Dwarika.
होने पर ही यहाँ पर वो मेरा संभव नहीं, इसलिए माधुर्य भी दिखाते हैं, प्रेम भी दिखाते हैं, है कुब्जा आदि में कौन सा प्रेम कहा जाता है?
Kubja has the simple prem, sadhana prem. In the Dwarika, in the Dwarka Mahishyanas, Samanjasya prem.
और गोपियों में कौन
And
सा
the
है?
Gopi is
समर्थ है,
Samartha prem.
क्योंकि ये विचार में दिखाना पड़ता है।
Because this vichar they have to show. Who is there? Who is talking?
समर्थारति
Samartharati. Samartha.
अपने प्रेमों के द्वारा
So by their love, how they have controlled Krishna.
तो ये समझते हैं द्वारका में जो प्रेम जब वहाँ पर क्या हो गया, विभाजन हो जाता है। विभाजन में
Diversions.
ये सारे रूप में दिखा जाए लौकिक बातों के लिए आप विवाह कर लिया है, जब तक विवाह नहीं किया है तब तक प्रेम देखो कैसे दिख रहा होता है।
So if somebody is not getting married, so there is so much love. But after marriage, there is no love.
आधा 50-50 रहता है, जब बाल बच्चा हो जाता है फिर कहाँ होता है, तो प्रेम क्या होता है?
So somebody is getting married, so love is divided into 50-50. And when they have the sons and child, so the love is divided into so many percentage. So in a general way, you should understand.
जो प्रेम था वो प्रेम पुत्र करने के धीरे धीरे
So whatever the love they the husband or wife have each other. So after giving the birth to the child, so love is divided into so many parts. But in the Braj gopis have love only one pointed towards Krishna's feet, because this is Samartha Prem. Because except Govind, they are not accepting anybody. Even Acharya Pad, Ji Goswami Pad, he is saying
सब कैसे थे आप दुश्मनी थे सब
they all are
करोड़ा हो करके भी कन्नका हो करके भी सब क्या था अपुष्पवती है इसके भी विचार दिखा रहे
there is also one views about that. Maybe you cannot understand that.
है अपुष्पवती शब्द की
Apushpati's meaning is in Ujjal Nirmani Shlok Tikas.
विश्वनाथ चक्रवर्ती टीका में दिखा रहे
He is showing in this tika.
देखो ये जड़ जगत में जो है
In this material world,
जब लड़कियां बड़ी हो जाती
when ladkis grows spontaneously, so they get attraction. They have vikar in their hearts.
कुछ समय के समय जो अपवित्र होता है
Sometimes they have the menstrual problem.
अपुष्पवती कह रहे हैं ये तो गोपियों की तो वो भी नहीं था
So Gopiya doesn't have this kinds of menstrual problem. So little bit understand.
सब खोल करके बोलना नहीं है
I don't want to
तो इसलिए कहते हैं,
disclose
जब
anything openly.
उनके प्रेम कहाँ गए है? जो लोग कहते हैं उनके पति संग हुआ ये सब तो दूसरे के लोगों के समझाने की
So some people used to say that they have loved each other. With their husband and them. Wherever it is told this kinds of katha,
जब हम टीका के सूक्ष्म रूप में
because if we go into the deep of the tikas,
जब सूक्ष्म रूप में दिखाते जा रहे हैं अपुष्पवती तक
Apushpati means
जिसके जब वो धर्मणि स्त्री धर्मणि बन होगा
who are not suffering from the menstrual problem. The
धर्म होने पर ये मैं समझ में आ रही है
Sridham me talking about the
उनके हृदय में शांति के पास होना जगते हैं
if somebody is getting this kinds of Sridham like
तो गोपियों के हृदय में
so they gets vikar in their hearts.
प्रेम और वासना लगे हुए है उनके प्रेम कहीं पर ये विभाजन नहीं हुआ न कहां पर कहीं पर
Their love is not diverted anywhere.
विश्वनाथ जी का मैं इसके वर्णन कर दिया
So Vishwanath Chakravarti is describing in his tikas, in his commentaries.
पति सुतन नया भातृबंधव नति विलंबते अंत उसकी भी टीका में कहते चलो कुछ भी कहें और कुछ भी कहते हैं लोग कहते हैं उसमें भी लिखा है जो लोग दुष्ट गोपियां जो है पति
Some people used to say that Gopi gets the relationship with his husband and like this and Yogma stop then. No, this is all the leelas for attracting the pupils. It is not true, but our commentators used to say they used to say one word very nice, Apushpavati. They have the transcendental body
हजारों साल तक
because
गोपाल मंत्र जप
they have chanted the Gopal month for thousand years. So they will get this kinds of desires in their heart. Apushpavati. If somebody is following the brahmacharya life, so they will not get any kinds of vikar in his heart. And the person who is chanting the Gopal month thousand years, so will they get this kinds of vikar? No, never. That's why Apush. You all are the Pandit, that's why I am telling you a little bit. Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti is saying there the gopis' husband never touched their beds because so their husbands always used to engage themselves in the work. Because they didn't have the time to meet with the husband. This is very interesting katha. If you don't have any questions, please ask right on there. I will describe everything there. So that's why. So they were not their husband. It was like a pati manya.
माने गोप विजय कार्य जो है
So whatever the Gop people used to do work, so they were so much engaged in them. So they just have this kinds of,
ये मेरा जो है ये क्या है मेरा
she is my wife only, but they never had any relationship with them. Bolo Vrindavan ki jai. Hare Krishna. Maybe you didn't understand this.
और विधान के कौन तो ठीक है लोग ने विधान के लिए बोल दिया तो दिया आरती हुई है कितना सुंदर सुंदर कहानी
So there are many very beautiful kathas. So we have to enter into that.
वो इसलिए ये सब ध्यान
So we have to think about all these things. Hare Krishna. God Premanande, Hare Krishna. Whatever the people are saying, let them say. Just hear from one ear and take from another ear. So we are offering pranam to everybody, but actually gopis are so much pious, their husband never touched them. Hare Krishna. Apushpavati. Hari Nam Tu